Greetings, Keishlings. Keishan Prime here with my live reaction of One Punch Man, Chapter 99, Revised Part 2, I guess is what it should technically be. I don't know, because we're still technically in Chapter 99, so I don't know. But anyway, we got the giant, our brave giant, and I guess that's, Phoenix Man, like, regenerating, reviving. So it's almost like a depth charge almost in this water, which I thought the water would like cool him down and like slow down his rate of regeneration, but guess not. Also, is this going to be the conclusion of this fight or not? I don't know. Feels like it's been forever. Uh-oh. He's thinking, CE. This isn't good. Oh, he's like, you were more of a challenge than I thought, being a child. So you've stimulated my exponential growth. It's creepy. Wait, who? Okay, so that is the kid. I wasn't quite sure. I figured it might be, but there wasn't like the. I hate when it's like shout bubbles, and it's hard to tell because like certain context doesn't really work as well, especially not in this translation. Yeah. Child Emperor knows that it's about to get worse if he doesn't try to put a stop to it. Okay, he's going in with... What is that? He's got some kind of a handle coming out of his back, and he's got the shield up, the divider shield. Wait, oh, we're getting Phoenix Man backstory. Even after the show was over, he still wore the suit. He's kind of like that one guy that like worked at, it was in an Invader Zim episode. I think he got fired, or the freaking microwave blew up, taking him, fusing him to his costume. It was like a chicken costume or something. But it was a taco restaurant. Or at least that's how I remember. It's been a while since I watched Invader Zim, but that's kind of how I feel when it comes to Phoenix Man. Okay. The will of the costume. Wait. Oh! It's a freaking pole arm weapon. Okay. Beam Graver? Okay. I'm not sure what kind of like childlike thing that's supposed to be. Okay, talking about how he continued to, I guess, essentially fight and become stronger. Yep, he's died and died a lot. His tenacity is the what? It's not a full. It's a full picture of him, but it's not. It's small, so it's like, what the hell does he look like now? Okay. Phoenix Radiant Eagle mode? Wait, he didn't evolve? Or did he? He's got way more eyes than he had before. I think he's got one like right here on his like shoulders, and then he's got what looks like two on one side of his abs. Very weird place for eyes. Oh, I didn't realize that's what he grabbed the beam graver. Okay, I see it now. The Phoenix text was overlaying it. Yeah, Child Emperor, get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Out now. he cut one of the brave giant's arms off. The one with the boy. Oh, he's taking the hostage back. Oh, he's only got one eye on this part of his arm. And he's actually what looks like 3 eyes on that side with the abs. Huh. 4 wings. 2 of those like phoenix long wispy tails. Kind of like Articuno. The ice bird legendary. From Pokemon. If it wasn't already apparent. Oh. What? Oh, okay, so with the arm now there's flooding occurring in the suit. This is bad. Oh, it already has like not an auto repair system, but like an emergency repair system. Injecting rubber? Okay. Oh. It's like, you sure you want to become a hero? You won't make it in show business. You should give up. Oh, that line. Excuse me. And now the kid's like, "You're an idiot. We should have ran." So he's got one arm and running out of time. Though I guess at least the suit is, like cooled off. But still, if he can't figure out a way to end this fight soon, I'm not sure how he can pull it off. Either way. Dumb sideshow. Strong, a lot tougher than some oversized chicken. Okay. You know what his Phoenix Man's body reminds me of? It reminds me of in Kill la Kill, the main character's Kamui. I forget what her name is. Begins with an R. But yeah, like the weird eye placement. Wouldn't surprise me if that was inspired by that. Yeah, Phoenix Man just kind of taunting him now. It's like, your chance of victory is 0, boy. Oh shit, he's got 50 seconds left. This is why you do not eat before recording. Let's see. Okay, so he's strategizing. It's like, okay, time limit's almost over. It's like, he's got armor that he can't pierce. The superior mobility. His attacks are no joke. It's like, yeah, Phoenix Man's a boss. And Child Emperor's starting to, like, let's see, what does this say? His stats are off the chart despite his dumb backstory. Uh-oh, completely out of options. Threading the needle. Excuse me. Wait, new forms of... What? Oh, no. No. If he's about to do what I think he's about to do, he's talking about the former inhabitants, the underground people. He's about to revive them all, isn't he? That's his new power. Raising the dead. Lights shining everywhere. Awakening... The Awakening King's like, you really came up with that right on the spot. Yep. He can raise the dead now. Is there anything the man can't do now? Oh, this is a good panel here. Them, you see like a lot of Brave Giant, and the underground people are just crawling up him like like the zombies they are. And more just coming out of the ground. Ooh, there's some really big ones. I thought they had like a fairly standard size. Wait. Is he gonna like raise the king or something? Because that could be dangerous. Is that the king? Because he's got like a similar bladed sword. And the kid's like, zombies. I don't know if it's a psychic power. I doubt it is. It's probably just transferring his reviving ability onto something else. Whispers of my mascot costume. Okay, that thing is a damn Kamui, basically. It has to be. He doesn't really get the power, even though he just explained basically what it does. This is interesting to know that and I saw it on some of the others, but I might as well mention it now. The underground people have like rib cages. I didn't really know that they were like organic beings, per se. I mean, it was kind of hard to tell given their like almost solid black or dark brown bodies and then the weird like heads that they have. So I just figured they were made of like earth-like materials, but maybe not, given that I'm seeing skeletal structure. Or maybe they have like bones made of like something that looks like human bone, and then there are mostly just earth materials. Oh, he can change the shape of the shield like that? That's interesting. And now it's the Star of David. Appropriate given the holidays. Though Hanukkah was already over by now, so maybe that was the plan, but I doubt it. I don't know what else would make that shape then. Wait, there's a pull cord. It's gonna turn into a saw blade, isn't it? That's why it's shaped like that, and he's pulling the cord to get it going. Oh. It's a circular saw shooter, basically. Brave blade shot. Okay, that's cooler. He almost has like his own Rasengan shuriken now. Okay, and he's coming, while that's taking out most of the fodder, he's going in with the, what was it, Delta triangle thing? I forget what it's called. Delta something sword or blade. Let's see. Well, yeah, he's got quite the amount of people to revive, but can he revive the ones that have been chopped up? I mean, like, most of the ones we've seen revived only had, like, maybe a single wound on their body that would have been the fatal attack that was dealt to them. But they've been relatively intact. Does it work on dismembered things? Oh god, they're swarming him now. This is bad. Wait, what's this? Oh, this is Phoenix Man, or Phoenix Man's backstory. I guess that's like the director or the studio head, and he's like, I told you, you're fired, and just pours water on. Oh, well, that's dark. He's like, I was stuck in my costume. Maybe your grave will be yours, kind of thing. Okay. See, he's trying to go for the kid. Okay, this just proves that that's exactly what that is. Like like, it's like one of those protractor tools. It even has the whole, like, triangular hole in it. So that, yeah, that's exactly what it is. Wait, what? What? What is whipping around him? Is that Phoenix Man's attack? Wait, fire? Who's shooting? He revived them. Ah, shit. Damn it, Flash. Why didn't you freaking cut them to... Wait, they were cut in half. So he can revive dismembered bodies. This is bad. This is very bad. This is super bad. This is super bad. I like that movie. But anyway. Okay. He thinks that's Flashy Flash, but it's not. Or is it? Surely not. No, it's... Oh. He had, like, spider legs coming out of his back, Gale did? Huh. And Hellfire just has fire coming off of him. It's like, oh, monsters. That's not Flashy Flash. Should have known. Surely he would have, like, bioscans of, like, all of his allies so that, like, when he's, like, too far away and vision is obstructed, he can still kind of pick up on their bodies. That wouldn't be 100%, like, infallible. Because, like, say someone is carrying the dead corpse of somebody, and then it's like they know about that scanning system, and then they're like, you think it's your buddy, but it's not. Let's see. Oh, Phoenix Man didn't know they had died yet, so it makes sense. And now they're attacking, and they're just whipping through the water like it's nothing. But he... Oh, did he actually cut him in half again? Oh, he doesn't even know that they're zombies, but again, makes sense. Who would know about that? 15 seconds has passed. Really? Oh, I just love the very limited passage of time. Let's see. They are definitely squeezing out every second of this fight, and I like it. I just don't like how it's been pieced out. Okay, Phoenix Man's starting to draw the conclusion that they were killed during the fight with Flashy Flash. And he's moving out of the way. Why hasn't he just, like, taken the shield ball and taken that instead of carrying around the arm? He says he feels like he became a god. I guess not wrong. I mean, you revive from the dead, you can bring other people back from the dead. Every time you die, you become stronger and gain new abilities. Ugh. I mean, last chapter was overpowered in some ways, so... Oh, he thinks he's going to get the title of Monster King. You'll have to fight Orochi for that, and something tells me Orochi's stomach acid when he eats your ass not going to allow you to revive. Huh. Yeah, it'd be interesting if he could kill, like, everybody and then just revive them as his henchmen. That would be scary as all hell. Because think about all of the... Oh, the little Braves are coming in. They're like, we're coming, Daddy. Winged insects. Wait, what are they changing into? Oh, they can turn into the drills, like what we saw. So we're kind of going kind of Gurren Lagann with this, and I like it mole mode. Rocket drill. Okay, and most of the other ones are going to go save the kid. Wait, soccer shot? They all kick the ball shield to get it away. But Phoenix Man looks like he is not having any problems with the rocket drill. Yep, I think he destroyed it. 5 seconds remaining. Oh god. Okay, so things are shutting down due to too much strain on all the systems, and now he's just going for the arms and the thrusters. Oh god, it's a full out like charge. He's just burning all of the zombies with the thrusters. Wait. Gigavolt smash? What the... Did I miss something? Where did all these pylon looking things come from? Oh, is that what the vernier thrusters are? I thought it meant like the regular like jetpack thrusters. And the fact that they kind of look like drills. To anyone that watches Grim Reaper's One Punch Man podcast, One Man Punch, yeah, One Man Punch. It's the spinoff of One Punch Man. I talked about like given how this suit seems to work, and it's like stated last chapter that it was incomplete, and like with all the overflow of energy that it eventually just blows up. What if it funnels that into a bigger mech that this mech sits inside, like Gurren Lagann? And with these drill looking Werner thrusters, I'm guessing they kind of give me that vibe even more than last time. So he's just zapping the shit out of everything, which I like. Okay, so no, that actually wasn't. I guess those are the thrusters on his back then. So he's retracted the Tesla coil. I don't know what to call them. And now they're flying up. Okay, wait. Oh, he jettisoned the legs, it looks like. Yeah, I think it's starting to fall apart. But it's weird the placement of the legs in that shot. Or no, wait, was that... He only looks like he has one leg here. So maybe that's it. I don't know. It's hard to tell. Wait. Combine mode. Sidearm. Oh, and he's got frickin' drills, so he does connect via drills. So this is very Gurren Lagann inspired. And also there goes the boy. So the little braves can become sidearms and stuff. And Phoenix Man is surprised. Oh, he's doing like an energy attack. Is it going to be like Kamehameha? Yep, it's going to be like that. Now I can fire it. Millennium Emperor Nova. It's just a Kamehameha wave. But I love it. Good lord, it's massive. So it's just like electricity beam, which is alright. Okay, Phoenix Man has gone into prominence mode and is trying to absorb it. Which, would it work if it's electricity? Because it's not fire, so it's not just pure heat, but I guess fire isn't technically pure heat. Electricity isn't pure heat, so maybe he could absorb some of it, I don't know. Or all of it, maybe. I mean, it has gotten stronger than the last time he absorbed. Okay, the giant is down to not much more than a second. And Emperor's like, hold out a little bit more. Oh, and some of the monsters are looking out through all of those, like, where they cleave through all of the layers of the hideout. And they're all about to die, because you can see the light coming up the tunnel. You dudes run, because you're all about to be incinerated. Yep, here it comes. Oh god, that neighborhood is not going to be the same. Someone call the realtor agency, because we're not selling these houses anytime soon. Well, there goes the neighborhood. It just got worse. Good lord, it's going past the clouds. Hey, look, you can see still on the moon where Saitama jumped off from it during the Boros fight. I like that bit of continuity there. Let's see. Okay, buildings are now starting to fall on our above ground team. I think they're maybe heading in their direction. They could probably move. They're not really sure. Oh, what was his name? Poison something? He's like, maybe I should just go home. Yeah, because you're like nothing in comparison. Because I mean, like, you have a knife that's, even if it's poison coated, you just saw buildings start falling from the sky that happened from a giant beam attack that came out of the ground. It's like, yeah, you're kind of on such a low tier in comparison. So, and given what like Child Emperor is capable of right now, if he actually starts increasing and improving his tech to, you know, because he underestimated what would be happening. So he's not going to underestimate anymore. He's going to go balls to the wall all the time anymore with his tech, I'm sure. Giving them the best kinds of improvements that he can possibly come up with. And I want that Gurren Lagann damn mech. I mean, Brave Giant is alright and all, but I want maybe Brave Titan could be a thing. If that were to happen, could be a cool name. So yeah, good chapter. I thoroughly enjoyed it. The Kamehameha, the Gigavolt thing, those were pretty cool attacks. The Phoenix Man's new form, his I've already forgotten it, but the eagle form, and its Kamui looking appearance was cool. So we're getting a lot of anime references, and what's not to love, right? But let me know if there were any references I might have missed. So yeah. Anyway, what did you think about the chapter? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and my Discord. Links down below. And until next time, keep slings rolling.